Hi there, and welcome to Learn English with Said. Let me ask you something. What do you find most challenging about learning English? Is it pronunciation, remembering vocabulary, understanding fast conversations, or maybe speaking confidently in front of others? Write your answer in the comments below. I'd love to know so I can help you better in future lessons. Today, we are going to tackle these challenges step by step.
Next.
Can you speak English?
Yes.
Here is what you will learn today. By the end of this lesson, you will boost your listening skills through real conversations, master new vocabulary with practical examples, build confidence in speaking English naturally, practice interactive exercises designed to make English fun. Stay tuned until the end for a special bonus tip on how to learn faster. Part 1. Listening practice with real conversations.
Let's start with a simple conversation. Imagine you're at work talking to a colleague. Listen carefully to their tone, pronunciation, and the phrases they use.
Hi, Liam. Did you finish the presentation for tomorrow's meeting?
Not yet, but I'm almost done. How about you?
I just finished mine. Do you want me to help you?
That would be great. Thanks, Anna. Now, let's listen to it again this time. Repeat each sentence after me.
Hi, Liam. Did you finish the presentation for tomorrow's meeting?
Not yet, but I'm almost done. How about you?
I just finished mine. Do you want me to help you?
That would be great. Thanks, Anna.
Did you notice how Anna used the phrase, "Do you want me to help you?" This is a polite way to offer assistance. Part 2. Breaking down vocabulary.
Let's explore the key phrases in the dialogue. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily. Almost done. Meaning, nearly finished. Example, I'm almost done with my homework. That would be great. Meaning, a polite way to accept, help, or agree with someone. Example, if you can join the project, that would be great. Now, I want you to create sentences using these phrases. Say them out loud or write them in the comments.
Part 3. Speaking practice with shadowing. This is where the fun begins. Shadowing means listening and repeating immediately to copy the native speaker's tone and pronunciation. Let's practice the dialogue again. Read your lines out loud immediately after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will enhance your pronunciation and improve your overall speaking abilities. Let's begin. Hi, Liam. Did you finish the presentation for tomorrow's meeting? I just finished mine. Do you want me to help you?
Not yet, but I'm almost done. How about you? That would be great. Thanks, Anna.
Great job! Shadowing is one of the best ways to sound more natural when speaking English. Part 4. Q&A Practice.
Let's test your comprehension of the dialogue with some questions. Think about your answers and say them out loud. Question 1. Why hasn't Liam finished his presentation yet? Think about it. Answer. Because he's still working on it. Explanation. In the dialogue, Liam says, "Not yet, but I'm almost done." This means he hasn't completed his work, but he's very close to finishing it. The phrase "not yet" is commonly used to indicate something is incomplete but will likely be finished soon. Question 2. What does Anna offer to do for Liam? Think about it. Answer. She offers to help him with his presentation. Explanation. Anna asks, "Do you want me to help you?" This is a polite way of saying she is ready to assist. Offering help in this way is very common in English conversations. You can use similar phrases like, "Can I help you with that?" "Would you like some help?"
Part 5. Everyday Conversation Tips. Let's explore one engaging scenario where Liam and Anna navigate a common workplace situation. This conversation will include helpful phrases, tips for improving your English, and even a sprinkle of humor to keep it fun.
Jay and Sarah are working in the office. Jay is looking stressed.
Hey Jay, you look like you've just seen a ghost. What's going on?
I'm supposed to give this presentation tomorrow, but I'm not ready. My slides looked like they were made by a 5-year-old.
Well, at least a 5-year-old has creativity. Let me see.
Look at this. It's a mess.
No worries, buddy. Do you want me to help you organize it?
Really? You did that?
Of course. You know, teamwork makes the dream work.
Thanks, Sarah. I owe you one. So my friends, what can we learn from this? When you want to offer help, you can use phrases like, "Do you want me to help you?" "Would you like some help with that?" are polite and effective. When accepting help, show gratitude with phrases like, "That would be great. I really appreciate it." Now let's continue the dialogue.
So, what's your presentation about?
It's about budget planning, but I don't know how to explain it without putting everyone to sleep.
Budget planning. Oh, thrilling. Next, let's cover the history of paperclips.
Exactly my problem.
Okay, let's simplify it. Start with a question to engage your audience. For example, what's the first thing you do when you get paid?
When someone explains something, but it's unclear, use phrases like, "What do you mean by that? Can you explain it another way?" Adding humor or relatable examples can make your explanation more interesting. What if I mess up during the presentation?
Then just fake a coughing fit and run out of the room.
Not helpful, Sarah.
Okay, seriously breathe, slow down, and remember, everyone's rooting for you. If you forget something, just say, "Let me double check that." So guys, when dealing with stress, practice calming phrases like, "Let me take a moment to gather my thoughts. I'll get back to that in a second." And don't forget to breathe, it's your secret weapon.
Bonus tip, how to learn faster. Here's the secret. Practice English daily in small manageable chunks. Set a goal. 10 minutes of listening. 10 minutes of speaking. 10 minutes of writing or reading. Use apps, watch videos, or practice with a friend. Remember, consistency is key.
You've done amazing work today. If you found this lesson helpful, like this video. Subscribe to Master English Daily for more lessons. Share this video with someone who's learning English. And don't forget to comment, what do you find hardest about learning English? Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.